Hi guys, I'm Kirti. Welcome back to my channel. So I thought of doing a video on what to wear if you're on a trip to an extremely cold temperature. You can follow me on Instagram for more pictures and updates and to know where I'm traveling to. Last year I traveled to Manali in March and the temperature was really low and it was -degree. So I thought of doing this video especially so that it can be useful for people who are traveling to a very low temperature for a trip. So now let's get started. So the first layer, which is really important, are the thermals. You need a thermal pant and a thermal top. So the thermals are really thin and they are too light and they are body hugging. So I have a thermal top which I got from Decathlon. I'll provide the link in the description box below. So this is the one which I got from Decathlon. So the thermal pant which I have is from Jockey. So even this is really thin and body hugging. So the thermals are really thin and they don't make you look bulky as they're body hugging. So thermals are very basic and a very important layer when you're traveling to extreme cold places. So the second layer you can wear is a fleece top or a fleece jacket. So fleece is a synthetic insulating fabric which keeps you really warm. So I have two tops from Decathlon. I'll provide the link in the description box below. So the first one is this. This top covers the whole neck. And the other one which I have is from Decathlon again, and this has a round neck. So the third layer which you can wear are the sweaters or the jumpers. So I have quite a few sweaters which I have collected over years. I'll be showing you all two sweaters, the one which I got from Ooty and other from a local store in Bangalore. So the first sweater is in this red and blue color combination. So this one I got from Ooty. So the next sweater is this. I really don't remember from where I have got this sweater, but this is from a local store in Bangalore. So I'll show you all two jumpers which I have got. So the first one is this in a bright orange color. I got these from H&M and H&M has some amazing collection of jumpers. And the other one which I have is in this black color. So this one I got from Myntra, and you can wear a colorful jumper or a sweater as a third layer and it will look really nice. So for the last layer you can wear a nice waterproof jacket. I'll show you a few of mine. So the first one which I'll be showing you all is this one which I got from Decathlon. I got this recently and this is a waterproof jacket and it can be worn in -10 degree temperature. So this has this nice padding inside and this will keep you really warm. This is a nice jacket and I'll provide the link in the description box below. So the other one which I have is this jacket which I got last year to my trip to Manali, and this is from Chemistry. So even this is really nice and keeps you really warm. So this is the one which I have, and this can be worn in normal winters as well. So the next one which I'll be showing you all is this one. This is from Superdry, and I think this is one jacket which will keep you really warm in extreme winters as well. So this is how it looks. And this is also a waterproof jacket. So you can even wear a down jacket after the third layer if you're traveling in extreme winters or you're going on a trip in December. So these down jackets are really light and very easy to carry. So I would suggest people to invest on good jackets and good thermals and good sweaters if you are a frequent traveler. But I don't have a down jacket as of now. So for the bottoms, as the base layer, you can wear a thermal as I showed you all earlier, and over that you can wear a jeans or a tights if it is not extremely cold. But I would suggest you all to invest on a nice ski trousers. These trousers keeps you really warm, and these are waterproof, and it really helps. So the one which I have is from Decathlon again. So this is the trousers which I have, and so this is how it looks. So this can be adjusted as well, and this has this nice fleece which keeps you really warm. So it is a nice idea to invest on a trouser if you're traveling to extreme cold, if you're traveling in extreme cold temperature, and if you are a frequent traveler. So next you can carry a nice scarf which keeps your neck area really warm. So I have this scarf which is really colorful, and I got this scarf from Dharamshala from a McLeodganj market, and this helps in keeping your neck area really warm. So next are the woolen socks. I would suggest you all to buy the socks in a local market wherever you travel. So I have these, I got these socks from Manali from a local store, and these socks keep my feet really warm, and these are the ones which I got. And regarding the shoes and the boots for winters or for your trip, I prefer renting it at the local stores wherever I travel. So you can even check out Decathlon store for some good options, and they have some good options available. Hope you guys like this video, and I hope this video will be useful to you all for your upcoming trips. And do follow me on Instagram for more updates, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.